It's time to put the finishing touches on the TV mount cabinet conversion project for the Airstream. The only things I haven't really been satisfied with this is that the frame this thing came in is plexiglass, and a very thin one at that. So I also didn't like the paint job I did on the back. It ended up being pretty uneven, and then because it's plexiglass, I can't leave it by itself, it would buckle, so I had to leave the backing on here, which means my LED job won't shine through as like a light panel. So with that, I have got a glass panel. I found a spot where I could order glass online, Peninsula glass. So I have this tempered glass. It's, I believe, 3/8 thick. I wanted it a little bit thicker so it'd be a little bit more durable. So I've got that. Hopefully that'll stand up to like the Airstream stress. If it cracks or breaks, I mean, it is what it is. And then online on Amazon, I found frosting. So this is like that cling stuff that you can put on glass windows to frost them. And this is just a matte white frost thing. I don't think it's actually adhesive, I think it's cling from what they said. So I kind of have to figure out what to do with this. It may be a little bit of trial and error, but I'm thinking I kind of want a matte surface on the front as well as the back, because I don't really like that shininess that you get with the other, like the plexiglass that's on there right now. So I think a matte, and then it'll be ready for like another decal board where I can put stickers and it'll shine through as a light source. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, peeling away there, you can see I don't like that it's textured really. But it is what it is, I guess. Maybe I should just try to frost one side first and then see what happens. Alright, so let's see what they say to do here. Clean and measure, peel off, spray water, cut the film, position 1 inch larger than the window. Position the film against the window, use your finger to press down the entire top to smooth this slightly. Smooth out the film with the squeegee. Okay. Okay. Squeegee. I don't know if I have a squeegee. Might just be able to use that. Like, doesn't tear that up. I actually do have a spray bottle for the plants. I think I should probably mist it first and then do this. Okay. That's really annoying. I kind of feel like we should start from the middle. So we're just trying to get all of the bubbles out. I'm not liking this edge the way it's working over here. I'm guessing the edge can be a little bit flexible because the frame is going to cover some of this. Alright, now I think I want to get a razor and trim that up a little bit. Just happen to have a straight edge. It's a little big for this. Now I'm just going to take this and kind of do a final push. Alright, that's good. Now, there's a little bit of light. I think to get the effect I want, I should probably do the back as well, but I don't want to mess up this part of the surface. So as you can probably see, with nothing under there, with nothing on this side, you can still see like the wood grain in the surface and things like that. Yeah, it's pretty. I wish I could just layer another layer, but I don't think this will stick to that textured surface. So I think I've decided to just go with doing this with only one side frosted, because I really like the look of that glossy with that back. Really nice. So now to get this disassembled, I don't really want to take this off the wall. Maybe I should though. Probably won't be hard to put back on. Yeah, I think that's going to be a major headache to try to do that on the wall, so I'm going to take this off, but just on this side. Okay, so we've gotten that off. Alright, now to get a few things out of the way here. That's great. Alright, now I just want to delicately try to bend up all my little clips so we can get this stuff out and try to get the glass pane in. Because it's going to be a little bit thicker probably than what's already in here, I'm hoping the little clips will be flexible enough to wrap around the thicker glass. There's a little bit of give here, so hopefully the sizing was pretty close to what I gave him. Okay, because of these right here, I think it's going to be best to bring the paint in here and then lay it down flat. Alright, there's our plexiglass. Which, as you can see, that's just the flimsiest plexiglass ever. No idea why they would use that in frame, other than just cheapness. Which I suppose is a reason. In case this doesn't work, I don't want to completely ruin this. Okay. Now the moment of truth. Trying to drop the glass into the frame. It's going to be a tight fit. Too much. Alright, I think I probably just need to remove one side of that LED strip. This just needs to come out. Fortunately, it's just super not sticky either. I'm not excited about taking that out. Alright, let's spin these little jokers as far as they'll go. And hope for the best here. One problem I've noticed with this film is that if there's any overlap on the edges, you end up catching that and then it tugs at the film, which is really frustrating. So I've trimmed a little bit off. The frame lip should cover it. And now I'm hoping that I can get it in the frame here. So we're gonna try to go like this. At least we gotta fit that way. Perfect. Oh, that's snug. Wow, they did a great job on the cut. That's really good. Okay, and now to get all of this stuff back in place. So first we're gonna bend down all of our little holders. It looks pretty good, actually. I was afraid this was gonna be way thicker than they could tolerate. Not too bad. I had originally intended for this to be more of a light box, but with the LEDs I'm a little disappointed that the LEDs, you see the specific LEDs rather than just a light field, which I wish was the case, but maybe I'll replace that in the future. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. But for now, we just gotta get all this stuff back taped down. And then get it remounted. Okay, everything but the magnet is now back in place, so I'm gonna get this thing back mounted. Pretty cool, there we have it. Don't know how it's gonna look lit up, but we'll find out. Definitely a lot heavier than before, which will definitely mean it's a little less flimsy. Alright, no shakiness, still solid, good number of screws in there. Got a little bubble here from the tape, I need to fix that. Alright, you can see there just barely a silhouette of the shelves behind, which is fine. Happy with that. The weight really gives it a incentive to close, I think. Just gonna run this up in here and plug it in. Gotta figure out what to do with this cord here. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, let's see what would happen if we turned on the lights. Interesting. Again, the problem with this is that you can see the LEDs, which is not really what I was going for. But it's not bad, and it may be fine once I put decals on there as a board. Regardless, I like that better than what I had. It's kind of interesting. Just different colors cycling through here. Wow. Like an ocean. It's not terrible, but I may need to workshop it a little bit more. Unfortunately, you can see the tape on the other side, which I'm not really excited about. I probably needed some double-sided tape to remount that stuff. I like it. Improvement. Looks good for now. I just gotta fix the magnet and I think we'll be done for now. Yeah, that's pretty solid. Don't like that you can see it from over there, but regardless, for now I think it's okay. May make some continuing modifications, we'll see. Wondering if you can see any of the lights from what's charging inside. Not really. Improvement, at least I'm happy with the glass. Pretty solid. Yep. And this is the final product with a decal on it. RV state travel thing. I had one on the R-Pod and didn't really want to put a lot of stickers on the outside of the Airstream, and there wasn't really a great place to put this anyway, but I did want to have it back for all the places we've been. So room for a few more decals up top, which you can see there kind of lightly shows through. But yeah, pretty happy with that.